Hi, hello everyone. So we have been apart for many days because of I'm very a little bit busy, so the video is quite slow for sharing to all of you. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Tutoria. I'm the teacher of English. So today I'm going to share you one special grammar point that is necessary for all of you to know. So let's start together. So today's lesson video is designed for the student, yeah, especially for the student in my level class and for the other who always enjoy and follow my video as well. So let's start to show together. Okay, so that is article. Yeah, articles. So article is a different, yeah, it have given the different meaning to that. But article in grammar, it is really special. So to study grammar, it is the part of the grammar that you need to know as well. If you don't know how to use it, I think that is not good. So let's start. Article, uh, the, earn, yeah. So these three we call article. So the aptitude to state the difference between the article and the. So today you will, after finish this video, you will be able to use and to differentiate between and the, how it used in and to apply it in the correct situation. Continue. So what is an article? Yeah, it is an adjective. It modifies nouns. Yeah, it modifies a noun. Definite article. Yeah, the refer to specific or particular noun. So it means that particular is the real. It's the real, and specific refer to what you can see and what you can know. So these together, it become the real. So in the sentence, you might be need to know, yeah, need to know how to which one to use refer to the specific, to use refer to the non-specific. Otherwise, in the sentence, it might be has a problem. This is really right. It really has a problem. Specific and particular. Sometimes, for example, that you don't use the. So you say, like, I know a man. I know a man who live in my village. Is, yeah, is really handsome. So this is not exactly that. Who whose is a man that you want to talk about. But if you use the word the, if you use the word the to talk, the man that I know live in is really handsome. So that, yeah, that really specific and also particular as well. Next, for example, I enjoy participating in the volleyball competition. So I enjoy participating in the volleyball competition. Look at here. So this is the use word the. The sentence about the above sentence refer to a particular or specific competition. You see? So refer to volleyball because volleyball is she or he like to enjoy or like to play or like to have the competition. So that is really specific. So that's why I use the word the. I enjoy watching the show. Yeah, the show. You see, he's enjoy watching the show. It means that it is really specific on what kinds of video, what kind of movie that he's like. The sentence refer to particular specific, so it's really specific. So he know that, he know the character, he understand the meaning, he understand the sense. So from first until end. Then move to the next is indefinite articles or on. It refers to non-specific noun. So let's give example together. The children are not playing a game. The children are playing a game outdoors. Outdoors. It refers to any game. So when you say this, maybe you are in the house. You are in the house, and then you see some noisy sound outside, and then you just say, the children are playing a game outside, so outdoors. So you don't exactly know that he or she play what kinds of game is it. So that's it. The other is painting a picture, right? It is not clear as well. It is not specific. So the artist is painting a picture. It refers to any picture. He paint mom picture, paint beautiful nature, paint a tree, so something like that. So we don't focus on a specific. So we call non-specific noun. So when we use the, so this is easy to know. Yeah, just note it. So when we use the name of river, oceans, and seas, so we use that. The Red Sea point on the globe. You see, point on the globe. Points on the globe. The equator. Yeah. The equator. Yeah. That's it. Then, when to use the part of the world, the Middle East, the South, deserts and forests, the Sahara Desert, the Mandai Desert. So that is the so part of the world and the desert and forest. When we use before a word that begin with consonant, a cat, a pencil, a bag. So that is. So remember when you use it must be a consonant start for so letter C, P, and letter B. So that's it. A cat, a pencil, and a bag. So that's it. When we use on, before a silent letter H. So here letter H, there is no any pronoun. Yeah, there is no any pronoun at all. So before silent letter, an honest man. You see, an honest man, an honorable person. Yeah. So this is letter H, but there is no pronoun that word, which is silent letter, silent letter H, right? Yeah, when to use an before all words that begin with vowel A, E, I, O, U, like an A, an and. So remember that all the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U, so it must be use the word an, right? Like E, eggs. So it is letter E begin, yeah, an. So letter A begin. An ice cream, yeah, you see letter I, an ice cream, so you cannot use the word yeah, you cannot use the word at all. An orange, yeah, so is not used with, so because I said about that, it's just only used with the beginning of the like the consonant, but the vowel cannot, right? So remember this. Use when you make the mistake sound of the y in you. So like example like a uniform use plat. So I use plat. So use when here. When you when you make the same sound as here, as the sound in you. So like you see, you. So in Y, the sound is like you, right? Like here, you. Uniform, you cannot say on uniform. So that is not because of the sound like you, right? You. And I use plat. Use when all make the same sound as in, like one. You see, like one. Yeah, like one. So this is the sound of one. One-eye monster. A one-eye monster. So the sound is one, right? V and one. Another. So let's start to do a quiz together. Yeah. After you have finished this quiz, please inbox to me, especially for the students who are in my class. So you can telegram to me. Yeah, send this answer to me, and then I'll check you and give you a score. Ismail spoke, yeah, woman who had well to him. So this is, you use the or a. My mother bought expensive watch. So yeah, bought me a expensive watch. So which one? So article. Cherry borrow, yeah, borrow. So book from the library. So you decide how to use it. Another, a quiz again. Ismail spoke to the woman who had well to him. Yeah. So this is the answer. Yeah. My mother bought me an expensive watch. So this is, we also can use the word the. If you use the word the, it means that you understand and you know what kinds of watches it is and how much it is. So you also can use the. So but this one, there are only two choice. One. Cherry borrow a book from library. Yeah. A book, it means that any book. So that is the answer. However, there are so many the other exercise on the link. So you go to the link and click on the link and do it. Yeah, that is the article exercise. More please. Ali wore new uniform to school. Did you see new car which my father bought? Kiran is India girl. Is India girl. So on. Yeah. Ali wore a new uniform to school. Did you see a new car with my father bought? Kiran is an Indian girl. So that's it. India girl. More. Singapore like quite near to Ecuador. Line have traveled across Atlantic Ocean. So that an order. So let's start. Singapore lie quite near to the equator. Line have traveled across the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the word the and the. So yeah, that's all for my video today. I hope that you enjoy it and you can learn something from my video. And don't forget, subscribe on my video and any comment and share to your friend. So if you have any question, please comment it below and I'm happy and to answer it. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.